Homeowners searching for patio doors Tampa want style, durability, and year-round performance in Tampa, Florida. The best patio doors Tampa, Florida combine coastal-ready construction with smooth operation, making them ideal for homes in South Tampa, Hyde Park Tampa, Davis Islands Tampa, Seminole Heights Tampa, and Town N Country Tampa. Whether you need sliding patio doors Tampa for a contemporary home or French patio doors Tampa for a classic look, the right upgrade improves curb appeal, natural light, ventilation, and indoor-outdoor living. From residential patio doors Tampa to fully custom patio doors Tampa, local buyers often compare vinyl patio doors Tampa, aluminum patio doors Tampa, and glass patio doors Tampa for appearance, strength, and energy savings. Sliding systems remain one of the most popular choices for patio door installation Tampa because they maximize space and offer clean, modern lines. Sliding patio doors Tampa work especially well in condos, waterfront homes, and suburban properties in Clearwater, Florida, Brandon, Florida, Riverview, Florida, and Palm Harbor, Florida, where homeowners want wide outdoor views and easy backyard access. Sliding glass doors Clearwater, Florida are frequently selected for lanais, pool enclosures, patios, and balcony entrances because they glide smoothly and allow abundant sunlight. Multi-slide patio doors Tampa take this concept further by opening larger wall spans, creating a seamless transition to decks, gardens, and outdoor kitchens in upscale Tampa Bay homes. Storm protection matters in coastal Florida, making hurricane-impact patio doors Tampa a smart investment for safety-conscious households. Impact patio doors Carrollwood Tampa and hurricane patio doors Palm Harbor, Florida are designed to stand up to harsh weather, windborne debris, and seasonal storms without sacrificing beauty. Secure patio doors Tampa can also include reinforced frames, upgraded locking systems, laminated impact glass, and weather-resistant hardware for better performance. In neighborhoods across South Tampa, Westchase Tampa, and Oldsmar, Florida, weatherproof patio doors Tampa help protect interiors from moisture, drafts, and heat while delivering peace of mind during hurricane season and everyday Tampa Bay weather changes. Energy savings are a leading reason many families choose energy-efficient patio doors Tampa for remodeling and replacement projects. In warm, sunny Florida conditions, energy-efficient patio doors Riverview, Florida can reduce heat transfer, improve indoor comfort, and support lower cooling demands throughout the year. Homeowners often look for insulated frames, low-E glass, tight seals, and weatherproof patio doors Tampa to help maintain stable temperatures. From patio doors Lutz, Florida to patio doors Valrico, Florida and patio doors Safety Harbor, Florida, upgrading to energy-conscious glass patio doors Tampa can make living spaces brighter without overloading HVAC systems, which is especially valuable during hot and humid Tampa summers. Design flexibility is a major benefit when selecting custom patio doors Tampa for unique homes and renovations. Custom patio doors Temple Terrace, Florida allow property owners to tailor frame color, glass style, panel size, opening configuration, and hardware finish to match architecture ranging from historic bungalows to contemporary waterfront residences. Modern patio doors Tampa are especially desirable in Odessa, Florida, New Tampa, and Westchase Tampa, where sleek profiles and expansive glass complement updated interiors. Glass patio doors Town N Country Tampa can also be personalized for privacy, performance, and aesthetics, helping homeowners create a polished look that aligns with kitchen remodels, family room additions, and full patio door remodeling Tampa projects. Material choice plays a major role in how long patio doors perform in Florida's demanding climate. Vinyl patio doors Tampa are valued for low maintenance, strong insulation, and resistance to moisture, making vinyl patio doors Wesley Chapel, Florida a practical solution for busy homeowners. Aluminum patio doors Tampa offer slim sightlines, structural strength, and a crisp contemporary appearance, which is why aluminum patio doors Oldsmar, Florida remain popular in modern renovations. For many residential patio doors Tampa projects, buyers compare durability, appearance, and budget before deciding between vinyl, aluminum, or mixed material systems. The result is a better fitting product for patios, lanais, porches, sunrooms, and pool access points across Tampa Bay. Replacement services are essential when existing doors become difficult to slide, leak air, show glass damage, or look outdated. Patio Door Replacement Tampa helps restore security, comfort, and visual appeal while often improving efficiency and usability. Homeowners looking for patio door replacement St. Petersburg, Florida or patio doors South Tampa frequently seek upgraded glass, stronger frames, and better hardware after years of exposure to sun, salt air, and storms. Patio door upgrades Tampa can include moving from older sliders to French patio doors Tampa, replacing fogged panes with patio door glass replacement Tampa, or installing more secure patio doors Tampa with advanced locks and impact-rated glass. Replacement solutions can extend the life of an existing door when a full replacement is not yet necessary. Patio door replacement Tampa is often requested for worn rollers, damaged tracks, sticking panels, broken handles, failed seals, and alignment issues that affect performance. Patio door replacement New Tampa and patio door glass replacement Land Lakes, Florida are common services for homeowners dealing with cracked glass, cloudy insulated units, or doors that no longer open smoothly. Screen patio doors Tampa and screen patio doors Apollo Beach, Florida may also require mesh replacement, frame adjustments, or track servicing to keep airflow comfortable while keeping insects out during warm Florida evenings. Neighborhood-specific service matters because local property styles and weather exposure can influence the best product recommendation. French doors Westchase Tampa may suit traditional homes with elegant finishes, while multi-slide patio doors Davis Islands Tampa fit luxury properties designed around water views and expansive entertaining areas. Patio door contractors Hyde Park Tampa often work on renovation projects that balance historic character with updated functionality, while patio door company Citrus Park Tampa customers may prioritize affordability, efficiency, and easy maintenance. From patio door installation Ruskin, Florida to custom upgrades in Carrollwood, Tampa, local experience helps match product type, installation method, and performance features to each home's needs. Professional installation is just as important as product quality when comparing patio door contractors Tampa and selecting a trusted patio door company Tampa. Expert patio door installation Tampa ensures proper fit, watertight sealing, smooth operation, and long-term durability for sliding patio doors Tampa, French patio doors Tampa, and glass patio doors Tampa. Homeowners requesting patio door estimates Tampa should look for clear pricing, strong product options, and knowledgeable guidance on hurricane impact patio doors Tampa, energy-efficient patio doors Tampa, and custom patio doors Tampa. For anyone seeking the best patio doors Tampa Bay, Florida, choosing a company experienced across Tampa, Florida, Brandon, Florida, Clearwater, Florida, St. Petersburg, Florida, Lutz, Florida, Odessa, Florida, and surrounding communities can lead to better results and lasting value.